Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you today. This one is in my bullet journal. I'm going to be using the Bob's Veggie Patch kit. There's first page, and second page, and third, and the final page. So during lockdown we've had some pretty good weather, and our garden is pretty overgrown. I've managed to kind of get out there and re-dig out my veggie patch from last year that I created, and get some vegetables planted, and they're coming up, they're growing. The kids have really enjoyed helping me with it all, and it just seems like a really appropriate kit for this time of year. So I'm going to quickly flick through and show you last week's spread. Because I changed it up a little bit last week from my usual, only slightly. So this is last week's spread. I'm coming to the end of my journal, so I need to prop it up with something. I might need something a little bit higher than that, just because it's like I'm right near the end. So, there we go. So, last week changed it up, moved my kind of sidebar around a little bit with my to-do list, my meals, and my kind of weekly countdown box, I guess. Then I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then I continued with my Dutch door spread because I can't fit a whole week in my book. It's not going to fit, not the way that I want to kind of plan and memory keep. So I have to kind of use 2 pages. So I had Friday, Saturday and Sunday on these pages, and I liked this because I liked the fact that like the bottom washi kind of fit across the 2 and it looked quite smart. And then I had a box here for my sourdough starter, and kind of when I was baking with it, and this again, it's been really helpful and I've enjoyed using this week, so I'm going to do something similar for next week. And here kind of my goals for the week. Haven't managed to kind of get all of them accomplished, but the ones that I haven't accomplished this week I'm going to put in for next week. So I think as like a kind of a lockdown spread, and having that extra time to kind of focus on these kind of things, it makes sense to put them in. So I'm going to stick with this layout and continue on. I think I'm only gonna do up to the end of April in this bullet journal. So over the next couple of weeks you'll probably see some setup videos for my new one. Haven't quite worked out kind of if I have a style that I want to go for or how I want to do that yet, so that'll kind of be coming up, I expect. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get creating. So here's my final spread. I've stuck with the same layout as last week, so we have my to-do list, meals, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I have a space for my sourdough to mark down when I'm feeding it and what I'm using it for, and a space for my weekly goals. And then I'll quickly show you what I have left of the kit. So I have some half boxes, quarter boxes, some icons, some more quarter boxes and appointment labels, checklists, some deco, and most of the little things sheet. And these will probably be used up throughout the week as I kind of fill in my spread. So I'm just going to pop them in there. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! So, new releases this week, I have my Space Narwhal kit. This is the full size kit, and the full boxes, little things, check boxes, half boxes, date covers, deco, and headers. Each of these sheets is available a la carte, as well as in the full kit. And then it also comes in a mini / bullet journal kit. This is the one that I use myself. So there's the first page, and the second, third, and the final page. It also comes in a Hobo Weeks kit. There's the first page, second page, and the third page. So that kit is one of my new releases that'll be out on Saturday. The other thing I wanted to draw your attention to are these new £2 Tuesday kits I have. These are, I'm calling them micro kits. They contain, I'll show you one of these, 4 full boxes and then a little sheet with kind of some functionals on there. You got some little things, couple of boxes, headers, checkbox, and a quarter box. And you also get a sampler as well. So this is the lockdown micro kit, and it comes in a little pack like this. And then this is the Always Be You micro kit. And there will be more of these kits added each week for £2 Tuesday, but they will only be available on the Tuesday. So there's the full boxes, and then there's your little functional kit and a little sampler. So they are part of my £2 Tuesdays. Watch out for those on my shop, and I'll also post them on Instagram so you know all about them as well. See you next time. Bye!